I know what kind of man you are. You're an underground rapper and you're broke, ugly. Nobody loves you. No motion, no friends, no family, no money. How do we fix this? How do we not get broke? Well, good thing you asked, because there's actually one simple solution, and this one solution is gonna change your life. The solution is, see, why did I cut you off there? Because you know, you're thirsty for the solution. I'm gonna walk you down the steps. And then at the end, see if you can come up with the solution yourself. It's actually pretty simple. But the first way to actually make money as an underground rapper is to sell presets. It's common, it's been done by literally everybody and their mothers and their grandmothers and their daughters and their grandchildren and everybody else in the world. Sell presets, but like, not just any preset. You gotta make sure, one, these presets either A, you make, or B, you're ripping them off the internet so far deep in the internet, nobody else can trace them back. Alright, because I know not all of us know how to make presets, and if we're gonna sell presets, some of us, we've been using other, like the preset we found on like a 2-view YouTube video so long ago. Just make sure you tweak it just a little bit so it looks like it's yours. Now I'm playing, I don't condone scamming. But anyways, make sure the presets are actually good though. Cause like there's so many crappy BandLab presets, and not even BandLab, like FL presets and whatnot, just all over the internet. So like, and if you want to actually sell successful presets, you can do more than just sell presets. I actually go into that. But just selling a preset, it's kind of bland, right? Because like nobody knows if it's actually gonna work. All they have to really base it off of is your voice, and the preset is gonna work on your voice, right? It's kind of made for you. Even if you didn't tweak it for your voice, you found a preset that works for your voice, so it's kind of made for you. So if you really want to sell like a preset like really good, it's kind of like thinking like business terms, right? Now you're a businessman now, a business or woman, you know, or woman. But now you're a business person. 2024, we can't say that stuff. Now you're a business person, right? And now you got to think of like this preset's your product, but to get people to buy it, you got to make this product really, really good. Like imagine somebody trying to sell you ice cream, but from like 2 miles away you can smell that damn nasty stinky ice cream, and they're trying to sell it to you like it's the best thing in the world, but it smells like doo-doo. It's somebody smells like, you're not gonna buy it because it smells nasty. Or they try selling you a laptop or a computer, right? And it takes 10 minutes to open up because that's how slow it is. You're not gonna buy it. The product's bad. Common sense, right? Just like you're not gonna buy a preset that sucks. Duh. So if you want to make your preset good, one, you gotta learn how to make presets, right? It's just number one, right? You don't have to make your own from scratch, but you just gotta learn how they actually work, like all the different effects and whatnot. Why? Here's why. Because here's what you're gonna do to sell your preset different than everybody else in the space. You're gonna sell your preset, and on top of that, you're gonna sell a guide on how to tweak the preset for your voice. Nobody else is doing this. I'm telling you, nobody else is doing this. This is how you make money, right? You add more value to the product, right? And I'm going into business terms right here. Like, this is legit how you do this. If you want to make your preset like so good, people love it, you make a preset, and of course, it's not gonna work for everybody's voice. So what you could do is, one, make sure you have a mini guide, PDF, written, whatever, doesn't matter, video, it doesn't matter, on how to actually tweak the preset for your voice, right? So when they get the preset, they also get like the mini guide. And in the guide, you don't have to actually go into like every individual number, because like imagine people start selling this guide everywhere, then they know how to make your preset. No, you just talk about how to tweak the preset for your voice, right? If you have low voice, do this, high voice, do this, blah 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 blah, right? I don't know myself, I'm gonna go with it, but I know people be doing this. That's how they make the money, right? And it's such a little people doing this stuff, they make their own money, right? So number one, make sure you actually sell like a guide on how to tweak it for your voice, because then makes it so everybody and their mother can buy your preset, not just people with like similar voice to you. And number two, sell your preset in packs. That's another good one, right? Because if you package it together, you can sell it for more money, right? Let's say the normal preset is $20, and then you got 3 presets in total. What you can do is put those 3 presets in a package, name it like package 1 or something, I don't know, something cool, something aura, right? And then you sell that for $60, and then make each individual preset, instead of $20, $25. So now it's like, if they buy the pack, then it's actually worth it. Because what you could do is, right, you sell the main preset, and you sell the ad-libs with the package. So it's like, sure, they're getting the main preset, but if they want the ad-libs with it, they gotta buy the package. And the package is technically $10 cheaper, even though it's really not. You're just overpricing the singular one, so they're more inclined to buy the package. See, I'm spitting at you psychology here, bro. Like, come on, this is cute. What I'm talking about, right? And the price is adjusted to whatever you want, adjusted to the value, how good it actually is. If it's the best preset in the world, you can charge it for $1 million. Somebody will buy it because it's that good, right? That makes you do that. And on top of that, you're selling the guide on how to tweak. And what you could even do, right, is you can only put the guide in the package, just so people buy the package for that $60. So it's not like if they buy the individual presets, they get it as is. But if they want to learn how to actually change it, they gotta buy the guide in the package for $60. That's $60 to your name, extra $60 on your bank account, yada yada yada. So that's number one. Sell presets, but sell them good. Use what I just taught you, the psychology. Use what I'm teaching you, bro. I'm teaching you the game right now, bro. Use that jump. Number two, and it's a thing like a lot of people, a lot of rappers are going into nowadays, is clothing. Selling clothes. Like Kanye, he got his clothing brand. Can, I believe, got his clothing brand. Like people, they realize something, right? What I told you before. Like you can't just sell music. Why? Because music ain't your product. It's not. Sadly. What it is marketing for your brand. Let me explain them before you click off, because now it's like so many words you don't understand. What that means is music, what it does is it reaches a lot of ears. And what it makes it so those ears are, they start to notice you, right? It's like, imagine peacocks. Now, this may sound really weird as an example, but let me cook. See, the way peacocks, like male peacocks get female peacocks to notice each other, like for the females to notice the males, is they bring out their feathers, their colorful feathers, and the female like, hey shorty, look at these feathers, right? That's what they do. Now that's what think of that as music. Your music is all those beautiful feathers, and it gets all the other people to notice you. They're like, They start to see your presence. That's what you want, because then now that they notice you, they'll start to like you. And when they like you, they'll start to, take whatever you give them. Pause. Now, what are you gonna give them? Products. You could give them presets, or you can give them clothing, like in this one. Now, how do we sell clothing? One, and this is the most important thing, like don't try to sell clothing just to make money. You gotta make sure your clothing brand is good, because everybody and their mother try to get into clothing nowadays, but it looks trash, really bad. Don't do that. Now, what I would recommend is having a little bit of money to actually start a clothing brand, because yes, you can start a clothing brand without any money, but like it's so slow. The growth is so slow, especially at the beginning. Let's say you get like that first sale and get like at least a couple sales a month. It's gonna be so slow, you do not understand. So you actually got to make sure like just have a little bit of money, and you can do that by selling the presets, right? Or growing your music, which I'll get into another topic a little later. But like just having some money to make your growth exponential, I guarantee you that. Because like you can actually get like good quality clothes and whatnot. Because like there's two different aspects of clothing. One, you need to make sure the clothing look good, and two, it has to be good, like feel good, right? Just make cotton. That's the safest route. Avoid polyester, nylon, and all this other BS. Don't do that. That's estrogenics. That's another topic. Make sure it's cotton. Cotton is the go-to, right? That's all you really gotta do, right? That's literally it. Like, just make sure it looks good, make sure it feels good, and then marketing. And of course, I know you suck at marketing, because if you knew how to market, you'd be blown up. Your music would be marketed, right? But don't worry, I'm gonna make another video for that just for you, baby girl. I know it's probably a man watching this right now. I apologize. But if you feel girl, shoot me up on Instagram. So just shoot me a message. And shoot my shot like from Devin Booker. And you bag. For the third way to make some money as a broke, ugly, divorced, nobody loves you underground rapper, features. And everybody in the mother does this, but it works for a reason. Now, to actually make sure your feature's good, is start off for free. Make your features free. Just do it for free. Do a bunch of features as possible, and then collect feedback. If people love what you're doing, then that's good. If they don't, you gotta change something. Because like this is also like seeing if your music is actually good. If you're actually like a good musician, a good artist. This is what this is for. Now, if you do like, let's say 20 features for free, right? Everybody loves what you did. Everybody loves what you did. They love it. It's amazing, fantastic. I want to kiss you so hard right now. Whoa. Right? They love what you did, right? Then boom, you can start charging for $1 just to like test the waters, right? And it's gonna be harder to sell that at $1 than like $40. I understand that. But the aim is just to get a couple people to buy it. And then for the price of $1? Is it so good? Like it feels like a scam. Like they're getting it for so cheap when it's so good, or does it feel like it's way too priced for $1? If they feel like what you did was so much worth more than $1, then you go up to $10, and then you just keep going up until you get to the point where after you keep collecting feedback, where it's like they feel like the price is too much for what you're putting on the song. Once you hit that sweet spot where it's like just right, what you can do is go just price it down just a little bit, just a little tad bit. So it's like what they're getting is worth more than the price. That's what you want, not too much. I mean, the more the better. But like you still want to make money though, right? Like if you can charge a 30 and it still feels like they're getting so much from it, perfect. You want, right? And then as your music gets better, you can keep going up. So like it just keeps going up together, not like that, right? That's what you want, because when people feel like they're getting their money's worth, they're gonna keep buying. And once you get that sweet spot, you're chilling. And what you can encourage is when people bring you other features. So like if you get your friend to do a feature for me, you get a discount. You get half off, something like that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's multi-level marketing, pyramid scheming, scamming. That's what we want, right? We're scammers, yay! I'm just kidding. I don't condone scamming. And lastly, the way to make money as an underground rapper is to make content and actually grow. You should know this by now. You gotta actually grow. Because like, as you grow, you make money through your music, people become aware of it, you can sell it. This is like, you need this no matter what lane you're going in. A brand. Growing your brand is important. Because your brand is what's gonna get you them the good deals. It's gonna get you them good customers. That's why you need a brand. And a brand gonna get you everything you need, right? That's why you gotta grow your brand. That's why you gotta make more music. That's why you gotta put that music on TikTok. You gotta put that music on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, everything you name. You need to grow your brand because the brand is important. Keep growing your brand. And that's basically like the 4 quadrants. I think that's 4 points. Yeah, that's 4 points. But you gotta understand, this is a long game. We're not in here for the short game. We're not in here for 6 months. We're here for 4 years. I know, it's scary, but you gotta get rid of that fear. We're in this for the long game. And I guarantee you, even if that first 2 years makes you no money, that 4th year is gonna make you so much money you don't know what to do with it because you've been consistent. That's all that matters. Compounding. Now, to sum up the question from earlier, how do we make money? You sell something. Become the antidote to chaos. Choose.